Hey crafty cuties, hope you guys are doing lovely. I am trying to just kind of clean everything out to end the year out. So I have a couple journals here that I'm going to sell. You guys have probably seen quite a few of these made on the channel, things that I've been finishing up over the year to our Christmas journals. So I will send these out as soon as they are purchased, and this is going to be PayPal, friends and family only. I'm not doing the Etsy thing right now. I'm going to do a quick flip through of all of them. I'll have all of the prices and information down below. If you want to purchase one, you will need to email me. That's the only way that I'm going to respond. It's too hard to keep up with the comments, and they don't ever show up in order. So you'll email me at paperterracecraftstudio@gmail.com. Again, everything will be down below. So let's get started. We'll do a quick flip. I'm gonna start with the Christmas journals. So here we have this Christmas journal. It's a really plush journal. Made this on a live, and this will be the first candy cane journal. That's how they'll just be titled like whatever they are. There's not too many duplicates here. We have a lace closure, and then the inside's super cute. You have pockets, cute little pockets. This one's gonna be perfect for December daily. I know it's already December, but I'm not the only one that gets started kind of late. Lots of space in here. There's like at least 35, there's probably 40 pages in this one, I think. It's a 6x9, so tons of space, tons of room to add stuff. And yeah, if you didn't see the live and you wanted to see how I made this, you can go check that out. I'll try to link that below, or it's a couple videos back. Okay, so we have this one. All of these journals get sent with some extras always, but especially right now because I'm cleaning things out. This one I'm deciding to sell. I'm not going to use it, so we have a little charm here. See? It's bohemian fabrics. Got the tie. I think I made this one on a live too. So this is more of a folio. So there's some pockets, and then this opens up, and you have like the entire inside there. And then over here, so we have a journal that's like in the middle. It's removable, and it's mostly plain papers. A few pockets here and there. Lots of space again. And then this side folds out like this. So you can either, you have a pocket with a tag right here. Whoops, I need to reglue that on. And then this goes over like this. You have envelope, pocket, and then a little folio right here for like photos. And then a little side pocket, and then it opens like this. And you have a little pocket right here. More blank space. Love how that one turned out. Super fun. That would be really fun for December daily too, because you have all different like places to put things, and it would be really interactive. Okay. This is a plush journal that I made maybe in the summer. It's really colorful, has that lace closure, and then this one is mostly, I think it's all or mostly Tim Holtz paper, Edith Holden papers, botanical. Fun style. This is my favorite style of all. Some pockets, my usual style, but lots of space. So, and lots of pages in this one. I'm going kind of quick, but there's, little glassine bags, maps, things like that. And again, just tons of pages. That one had 4 signatures. No, sorry, 5. 5 signatures. So there's that one. This one's plush as well. And this was a vintage sheet. Let's see here. The last 3 are kind of random. This is what I would call an art journal. You guys may have seen me make this one. This is super cool. Has tons of pages in here, 6 signatures, a spot for charm. This one's plush as well, but you have the diamond painting. I did a whole series on this one, I think. And then inside, it's a mixture of what I think would be really fun for an art journal. So there's wallpaper, regular paper, and then tons of watercolor paper as well, really thick. So you could do art in this, or you can treat it like a junk journal, a writing journal, of course, whatever you want. And of course there's some sewn pockets, vintage magazine pages, music paper, you know, tons of variety in this one. I will be excited to see someone use this one, put it to use. So many pages in here. Now, the last three are either like a small journal. So I have this little vintage sewing book journal. And it's just like a little traveler's notebook style with a variety of pages, coffee dyed paper, things like that. Pockets, you know, all of those things. Then we made this one. It's a postcard little folio journal, and it has pocket inside and then just dyed papers. So this would be a nice writing journal or one like for your purse, I think. This is just a journal cover. I'd never finished this one, and I thought it was so cute. I want someone to be able to finish it. This would be great if you're starting out and you wanted to do a fairy journal. So this ties together and then opens up. You have your fairy doors with your little fairy. I will send some extra fairy images with this one, but it's plush, also has the charm holder, metal corners, and really all you'll need to do is add your pages. So that's everything. I know that was a quick flip through, but again, check the description if you're interested in one of these, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.